Hey guys, welcome back. So last time we saw how to navigate to this screen whenever we add a new contact. Now in this one we're going to go ahead and see how to change the title here dynamically to use the name of the contact we are looking at. Also we'll see how we can put the delete button here and the star button so that the user can go ahead and delete a contact if they wanted to delete the contact. So for us to be able to change the title dynamically, we're going to be using a hook called use navigation. So here you can say use navigation. So it gives us a few things. One will be the navigate, another one will be the set options. It's called set options. So here let's import use navigation. So now that we have set options, we can come over here and have a use effect. So use effect, make sure it is running once or whenever we have the item. So for which the item now is our contact. So you can check if you have the item. So if you have item like this, then we can set options. So set options takes in an object with what we want to set. So in this case we want to change the title, so we can just set title, and the title can be the item dot first name. It should be first underscore, it should be small n. Then let's also have a space and also the last name. So this can be last name. So make sure we are importing use effect from React. Now if we click on one, see that it's being used here as name another. Now how do we put the icons here? So you can put the icons here by specifying the header right. So you see how we are specifying set options like this. Now we are passing the title. Also we can pass header right. So header right will be a component, so we can have a component, then it should return some JSX. So you can say return, let's return a simple view. So in this view now we can have some icons, but for now I'm just going to have a text so you see how it's working. Let's have hello there, save it, and now you see that we have hello there. We could do header left also if we wanted to change this. So we could do something like header left. So header left, then here let's have something like sap. If we save, see this is sap, this is now hello. Now this is not what we want to do, so for the header left we are good. Also you can take a look at set options from the documentation. I'll make sure I leave a link down so you guys can see what's possible, because you can be able to change even the styles, the tint, the icons and all that good stuff. So for now we just need two icons here, the star one and also the delete one. Yeah, so save it. Now you see we have the star there. So let's increase its size. So we're gonna go here, have some size. Let's set it to 21, save. Now it's bigger. So every time the contact is starred or is added to favorite, we are going to need to use this. But if it's not, then we are going to use another version of this. So you're going to check here. So we're going to check if item.isFavorite, then we will use one, else we will use another one. So if it's favorite, we want to show this star. Otherwise, we want to show a star that has only a border. So we can now the icon will be called star border, and I get this from the React Native Vector Icons website, which you guys already know. So this is that, that's why you're seeing it is using this star. So also we need an icon to delete, so I'm gonna duplicate this. Also I'm going to put this in a touchable opacity because we will need to handle the on click, the on press. So let's also have it. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to make sure we're importing it from React Native. Then I'll go ahead and duplicate it for the delete. So this of course will be delete. We don't need any other check here. So we can have delete. Let's save it. So if we go back, see we have the delete there. Now I want this to actually be gray and not black. So color. So here we can have colors but gray. Make sure you're importing colors. Let's make sure even this one has. Save it. That looks good to me. Now we want them to be left to right, of course, so we can come here and have some style like normal. So now we can come and say we want flex direction raw. I see they are left to right. Let's give them some padding on the right, so we can say padding right, 20. So saving that will give it some padding right. Now let me give it 10. So it looks like that. We also need some padding between these, so we can quickly have a style on the other touchable opacity. So I'm gonna come to the last one and give it some padding left. Let's remove this flex direction, save. Now you see that it looks like this and they are clickable. So let's click on a contact that is not starred. I'm just gonna click randomly here. So let me create one that's not added favorite. Okay, so when it's added, you notice that for it, it's not starred. Okay, which is what we want. So for now, that's gonna do it. In the next one, I'm gonna come in and we're gonna work on the deleting a contact. So thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you soon.